So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. So aspirant, I am Dr. Malit Trivedi, pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So aspirant, this video is regarding the interview preparation after your government exam. It may be your Gujarat government exam, that's a GPSC, maybe Haryana HPSC or KPSC. So in all the government exam, mostly after you give your MCQ exam, they conduct interview to check the caliber of the appointed or they are going to appoint dental surgeon. So this interview sometimes may have more weightage like 50% and sometimes they have a little weightage like 12 to 15%. But it is very important to give your 100% in the interview. You know why, aspirant? Because after they announce the merit list, they don't give the marks. For example, you are given theory exam, what they will give you, the eligible candidate around 200 to 300 list, just eligible candidates roll number they are going to put. So you don't know that what is the highest mark, what is the lowest mark, what marks will be there in the other categories. Like that, the answer will be not there in the exam in your mind. Yeah, something you might be knowing as highest if you have heard, yes, this is the highest mark, this is the lowest mark, but the exact situation is not there. So you have to give your best in the interview exam. Remember, many of the students take interview very lightly. They get good marks in the theory, but in the interview they get very less mark. Because in the interview you don't have to just have the sound knowledge of your subject, you should know how to speak. They also ask you basic questions other than your dentistry, like how you have to approach your job, why you want this job, at present what you are doing, how you have to introduce yourself. So n number of questions can come in the interview. So if you go to the interview and you're not well prepared, definitely you're going to lose mark and you may lose your job also. So please, aspirant, prepare well for the interview. Okay, so how we are helping, our academy is helping in the interview. The best thing we are going to do first is we are conducting mock interview for the students. Mock interview, our staff will take your interview the same, because we have the idea, especially I was part of many government exams I have conducted, I have given, so I know what all they can ask you, how they can ask you. So we can have one-to-one mock interview in which I will check how you are giving the interview. We will try to modify a few of your questions. We will try to modify how you are behaving with the interviewer. This all thing counts so much for your interview examination. You know that 10 to 15 minutes, you along with the knowledge, you should know how to handle the stress, because 3 to 4 people are sitting there and they are going to ask you a question one by one. Okay, aspirant, the first basic thing. Second, you should have a sound knowledge of your subject also. You should not know the big concept, or like they can ask you very small question that why you give amoxicillin in periapical infection and why in periodontal metronidazole. So you should not have the elaborative answer. You should give the answer in 10 to 15 seconds. Such short one-liner you should know, because you know sometimes the students have a lot of knowledge. They are going to express, and in that the time goes and the interview will not be satisfied with your answer. So try to give the answer to the point. So my academy will conduct 1:1 interview. We are going to provide you 4 to 5 videos in which we are going to tell you what are the basic questions they can ask. Basic means about yourself and other than your dentistry. Then we are going to give you important questions they've asked in the past subject wise, like for peri what they ask, prostos they are, for general subjects what they ask. So all the questions I'm going to tell you with that particular answer in the video format. So any students who have cleared the basic MCQ examination, the written test, they can contact me. If you want to have with me mock interview, you want my videos, you can DM me in the number given in the description box. Okay, aspirant, till then, take care. Any help, any doubt, you can let me know. And always remember, this competitive exam you should not take lightly, because n number of students are giving. Everybody wants that government job. So please be serious and prepare in the best manner. Take care, aspirants.